Let me teach you Meta AI the right way so that you start using this Meta AI that's available in your Facebook, your Instagram, and your WhatsApp. Yes, if you learn this thing, there's no need for you to look for other tools to download or do whatever you want to do. With this one, you are good to go. Yes, so if you are asking me you want to learn AI, you are on the right class. This is the right class for you, and let's get started without wasting time. So let's go to Facebook. If you come to your Facebook, you are going to see this, whether you're on the mobile or on the web, you are going to see this Meta AI here in your charts. Where are you going to see it in your charts? Open your chat list, where your contact lists are, that's where you're going to see it. So the first thing you need to do is to click here. So invariably, it means that it's also available in your messenger. So when you click here, it will open up. These are some prompts I already gave it. So what you need to do here is to paste. So I said create a picture of an African lady receiving a call with a smile. So you could change this to an African boy or African whatever woman. Okay, and then send. Once you send, it's going to generate in just a few moments, and before you know, it is done. Like your picture is ready, and this is it. This is an African woman, and you can download it. So this is it, guys. This is it, guys. You can go ahead and download it. As you can see, is crystal clear. It's very clear. It's just like a human being. It's a human being anyway. So you just click here to download it, and it's downloaded. So now you have your picture. So if you want to use it for research or to ask for anything, you can say act as a content creator. Write me, write me 5 strategies to go viral. Write 5 strategies. Write five strategies to go viral on Facebook. So maybe you want to know what to do to go viral. So you are telling me to act as a content creator. Now, in one of my videos, I taught people already how to use AI the right way. Don't tell don't tell AI to write me, things. Don't tell AI to write me 5 strategies. Tell it to act as a content creator and write 5 strategies to go viral on Facebook. So the AI now will begin to act as the one. He assumes that responsibility and now begin to tell you what to do. So let's go back to the prompt and see the results. So here in the result now, we have what he gave us here. So let us read through. Say, let's get viral on Facebook. Here are 5 strategies that get your content shazamming. That is all over. Now it's telling you number one is know your audience. You have to know thy audience. Understand what your peeps want. Create content that relates that that is relevant, relatable, and resonates with them. So that's number one. Number two, visuals that pop, eye-catchy visuals, and all that. So it's telling you number three, emotional connection, and number four. So anything that you want, you can actually create that with your Meta AI. And this version is Llama 4. So if I were you, I will have to start now, take advantage and start using Meta AI. It's simple. You can use it to create pictures. You can use it to create to do research. You can use it to write blog. Let's go back and see how to use to write blog. You can come back here and say, okay, uh, write write a blog on what can we write on what can we write beauty contents. Okay. No, that's not a catchy topic. Write a topic on content creation. So it's going to write us the blog. Okay, so here is the blog writing. The ultimate guide to content creation. So he has given us a topic for this. Okay, so captivate, engage, and convert. So is that writing the blog? Hey, Hey there, content creators, are you tired of drafting content that falls flat and all this? So it gives you the blog in full. See, without wasting time, it gives the blog. So you can actually tell it to write you or to create the meta description description for this blog. For this blog, meta description, you can say SEO SEO meta description for this blog. So it's going to create that as well for you. So if you are a blogger, you can actually use this to organize your blogs. It's going to help you scale. So here is a rewritten CEO meta description. So unlock the secret to captivating content creation. So this is the meta description it's giving you. So if you are into blogging, you should understand what I just did. So I'm going to do another video on blogging and how to go about all these terms I just mentioned. So that is it, guys. That's how to use Meta AI, whether on WhatsApp, whether on Instagram, or whether on Facebook, or whether even on your messenger. Is the same. So start using this wonderful tool and enjoy your moment in 2026.